1. What is Khasra? A Khasra is a land parcel identification document that contains information about a specific piece of agricultural land in a village or rural area. It is similar to a survey number in urban areas. Think of Khasra as the plot number of a specific piece of land. It is a detailed survey record of a particular land parcel in a village, similar to how urban properties have plot numbers or survey numbers. It tells who owns that specific piece of land, its size, land use, agriculture, pattern, etc., and crops grown, if any. If someone wants a loan against land, lenders use the Kasra to check ownership details and whether the land has any existing loans or disputes. Example: if a farmer owns three different fields, each will have its own Kasra number, like plot 101, plot 102, plot 103, each with separate details. Key details in Kasra: Kasra number, a unique identification number assigned to a piece of land. Landowner details, name of the owner E as per government records. Land classification, whether the land is agricultural, non agricultural, government land, or private land. Crop details, information about crops grown on the land, useful for agricultural loans. Land use, whether the land is barren, cultivated, or used for other purposes. Encumbrances and liabilities, any existing loans, mortgages, or legal disputes related to the land. Importance of Kazra in lending. 1. Ownership verification confirms the person applying for the loan is the legal owner. Second, encumbrance check ensures the land is free from disputes or previous loans. Third, valuation and collateral assessment helps banks and NBFCs determine the value of the land before approving a loan. Fourth, agricultural loan eligibility. Since it records crops grown, banks use this for Kisan credit card, KCC loans, and other agriculture related financing. 2. What is Khatauni? A Khatauni is a record of land holdings of a family or an individual. It is an account of multiple khazras held by a single owner or family. Khatouni as the family account book of land ownership. It records all the land parcels owned by a person or family in a particular village. It tells which khazra numbers belong to a specific person or family. If a person owns multiple plots, the Khatouni groups them under one account number, Kata number, making it easier to see total land holdings. Lenders use Khatouni to confirm land aggregation, which helps in cases where a larger loan is required against multiple plots. Key details in Khatouni: Kata number, Khatouni number, a unique number assigned to an individual or family owning multiple Khazra numbers. Owner's name and details, list of all owners in a family or joint ownership scenario. Total land area, total area under the ownership of a person, joint family. Revenue records, tax and revenue records related to the land. Mutation details, any recent changes in ownership due to inheritance, sale, or transfer. 3. Difference between Kazra and Katauni 1. Definition: Okasra is a record of a specific land parcel, like a plot number for land. It contains details of who owns it, what it is used for, and any existing claims on it. Okatauni is a record of land ownership under a family or an individual. It consolidates all the land parcels owned by a person into one account. 2. Purpose: O Kazra helps in identifying how a particular piece of land is used, who owns it, and whether it has any legal or financial encumbrances. O Katoni gives an overview of all the land owned by a single person or family, making it easier to track total holdings. 3. Document type: Okazara is a field record. meaning it focuses on individual pieces of land. Okatuni is an ownership record, meaning it helps determine how much land a person or family owns in total. 4. Issued by. Okazra is issued by the Revenue Department, Patwari, at the village or block level. Okatuni is issued by the Tehsildar or Revenue Department, typically at a higher administrative level. Use in lending. Okasra is used for land identification and checking if the land is already pledged or disputed before approving a loan. Okatoni helps in ownership verification and land aggregation, allowing a person to combine multiple land parcels as collateral for a larger loan. How to obtain Khasra and Khatauni. These records can be obtained from 1. Local Tehsil Office, Revenue Department. 2. Online land records portal of respective state governments, e.g., Pulek UP, Chamabandi, Haryana, Mahablik, Maharashtra. 3. Patwari, Village Revenue Officer. 4. Common Service Centers, CSCs, in rural areas.